Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to quickly import your contacts from Excel to Mailchimp. Let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and make sure your contact list includes a column for email addresses and any other details you want to import, like names or locations. Save the file as .csv. This is the format for Mailchimp needs. Next, log into your Mailchimp account and go to your audience dashboard. Click Add Contacts and select Import Contacts. Choose CSV or TXT file and upload your saved .csv file. Mailchimp will guide you through matching your Excel columns to the right fields in a Mailchimp, like mapping first name to FN name. This ensures your data import neatly. Before finalizing, clean your list. Remove duplicate or invalid emails to keep your audience healthy. Mailchimp will show a preview and alert you to any issue. Click Import and you're done. Contacts will now sync to a Mailchimp. Pro tip: use tags or segments during import to organize contacts for targeted campaigns later. And that's it. You've just promoted your Excel contacts into Mailchimp effortlessly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this method. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.